Merong fascinating na verse na pumukaw sa aking damdamin. Ito ay in Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2. It says, "Fix your eyes to Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith." Now, ang pinaka-the best doon is yung word na author. Author means siya lang yung bukod tangi na pwedeng magbago ng story. Now, Jesus is the only author. So, therefore, Satan, hindi niya pwedeng baguhin ang history mo, ang story mo, because he is only a reader. Ang mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo, hindi pwedeng baguhin yung story mo because sila po ay mga reader lamang. Only Christ can change your story because He is the author. Pangalawa, when God says He is the author and the finisher, kapag may inumpisahan si Lord sa buhay mo, hindi niya ito papayagan na hanggang umpisa lang, tatapusin niya ito. Kapatid, focus to Christ. You fix your eyes to Jesus Christ because He's the author and the finisher of our faith. God bless.